ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Komisi benta ban pinsa Ainam yuklawat ke jai bendo khasi ke Tripura tribal area kelasha sngoba banjer bantho ke Kyrteng jugu Syiem Tirot Syiem hakwe ke English school ke Berahan not Tripura. Yakani lepen tebru pradiat de Burma with chairman jaga Tripura Motha party hadim lawai ke jingalang jong chiphotli ke autonomous district council ke than jotela mingi kabla long Tripura castle hanong ba shalong. Hake jinga kren bekla pathai ko bor hadim lawai ke jingalang upradiat ulepen pa blarairu ban ai jakai ke khasi jaintia Garo Hills autonomous district council ha Tripura bakin chna ke bhavan knang pengklan shu ke jinga day hapring jai bindu riulom ke jila Tripura bagi jai bindu riulom jang jila Meghalaya.
Tripura Territorial Autonomous Council bakin penshna kawai ka English medium school haka Kyrteng jong Tirot Syiem hapo not Tripura yakaba hak tu jaka ki donru ki riulum ba ki paradok prasnam jungi ki khasi ki basyong hang tu but umdan school umdan ite nakalyang jong i ngilai keren mentat ke meeting ba nakalyang jong i ru in ai yakni ke school haka Kyrteng jong Tirot Syiem namangi shim ru ikarai hadin bala asya pen prayo mat dur saken mau jong Tirot Syiem hapo Bangladesh tingi kwa ban pen i kani di sinjam ke bangin shim bangi kwa penlong ya teli yaki riulum hapo thain lamingi ke jongi tengila ngilai keren ru ba mentatang syudap kani ke meeting nang ni ngilai sahang taipo arts and culture larity complex ya kaban play away umat saken mau jong JJM Nichols Roy no balingi ni shim kani garai nomor babun sin kim don ba ya tip UAU Reverend JJM Nichols Roy de uni uri rangba nakanika ri ka jongi blai i jingai bandon ka jingeda ka bakarpang yengi kum kiret pa hangni po thain lamingi te deling ba ka jingya kun jongki nadu ka tu kapor nadu Gopinath Bordoloi kiwi kinoilam la penlong bangin yo ekenika six schedule ka banlong ka constitutional protection provision yengi habe de bat ka jingeda yaka hok long try man try la ka long kaktin kthli ka riti dostor ka khando ka siap but kiwe ki benta te kani de ka ek bangi shime karai but ngin sa pentip pat habede ka Kyrteng joni committee shen te let's say ngin sa ikendu haka meeting ka ba buat pat kala benlong pat ha nong ba Delhi habede kata
also to form a committee we have formed a committee under the chief chair convener Bapinyan. We are all the district council members are party to this committee, and we will give it an official structure, and if required, if we have to agitate, if we have to send memorandums, if we have to negotiate, we will do it as a joint working group rather than individually going to Delhi and talking and our issues not getting resolved. I've said today, it is also incumbent on us today, since there's a local media here, we have decided that there was a school in North Tripura which is habited by the Khasi community, and we have decided to open up a school for them. They're from our council, an English medium school, and we are also giving it a name, Tirot Syiem Memorial School. I think Pramod Boro himself has offered something in Sri Rampur for us to open up our offices. I have offered land in the TTADC for the KHEDC, GHEDC and the Jayanti Hills District Council to open up their bhavans or guest houses. Instrumental, and we have decided to honor him. In fact, in our council also we are erecting a statue of JJ Nichols Roy. Why only JJ Nichols Roy? We should even honor people like Togan Sangma, Kyang Nangba, Tirot Syiem, Upendra Brahma. I mean, are they only Khasi heroes or Garo heroes or Bodo heroes? They are people who have fought for our history, for our culture, and so if we can do that, hopefully one day you will do the same for us. So JJ Nichols Roy is the father of the sixth schedule. His role was instrumental in giving us certain rights, and if we honor him, we are honoring not just an individual, we are honoring a philosophy, a principle which is very relevant today as well.